अगर हम लोग इसके क्लिप काट काट के भेजेंगे तो तुम्हारा हम वो तो नहीं वायलेट करेंगे.
हाँ.
We have Siddhant from Unam Law. ये हमारे standing counsel हैं. There are some YouTubers who've been taking multiple content from ANI and using it and monetizing it. एक ही तो बार use किया है, 2 सेकंड ही तो use किया है. That's not the case. We have the proof that it was multiple usages that they did, and it's been happening over years.
The law clearly provides that even one still is in itself enough to show infringement of copyright.
The Atik shot, we got the angle. There were the other cameramen also, but that was a fraction of a second where the bullet goes and hits him.
Maybe it's a few seconds of the infringing video, but of the original it's the central part. Fair use is not to copy my creative expression of that news event.
All the top YouTubers in this country subscribe to ANI. They take the ANI service, use it.
During COVID, there were a large number of newspapers that were being shared for free on WhatsApp in a PDF format. Every newspaper worth its salt in this country went to court.
You I hate you मेरा पैसा वापस दे.
Samosa caucus should not become a legal liability caucus.
इसका love life is there all on X.
As long as it's X and not triple X, it's okay.
De gustibus non disputandum est.
Means what?
There is no arguing preferences.
To quote another Latin. Tu kaun hai?
Because
Abhijit,
I remember I had a conversation.
Do you really want to
Anand,
annoy?
not Abhijit. I'm Abhijit.
Sorry.
Enough.
There's something
Anand
wrong
is
with
leaving.
you.
इससे ज्यादा इंसल्ट मेरी आज तक नहीं हुई है.
अरे इससे मेरे नाम को इंसल्ट बोला.
I knew his boyfriend.
You knew Bilawal's boyfriend. क्या रात के अंधेरे में आता था?
The good point is you didn't say
हाँ,
what you
please.
said in English. Did he come in the midnight?
अच्छा, okay, please.
My admiration for Modi
But-
went up
But for him to
because of the tech. You know what the initial war goals were. He had achieved it. People don't realize how difficult
Tempting.
it is to say no, stop, pull back.
The West treated him very shabbily as long as he was not Prime Minister. Did he ever let that come in the
Never.
way of India's interest in developing closer relationship with the West? He never let that come in the way.
Do you think that the High Command is going to be magnanimous?
They'll punish Shashi Tharoor now.
कच्चा
एक
तो
तो
baby
ओवैसी
होता है।
साहब को आप जहाँ भी हैं.
हाँ.
आप जहाँ भी.
Listen,
But imagine my mom seeing this कि भाई भी तो सिंदूर की रक्षा करता है, बाप भी तो करता है, ससुर भी करता है, देवर भी करता है. That sentiment and the Punjab CM got it so wrong. She's saying सिंदूर की रक्षा तो सब करते हैं. So why are you doing this to Modi? And she's a Congress voter.
इसका सारा ट्रांसक्रिप्ट एक बार ही पढ़ लेना कि पॉलिटिकली इनकरेक्ट चीज बोली है तो प्लीज एडिट कर देना, नहीं तो साला बहुत चीजें पढ़ते हैं.